I'm Dan.
I'm Dea.
As wildlife filmmakers, we use binoculars all the time. So today, we're going to give you our top 5 money-murdering mistakes when buying your pair. Number 1, you don't always have to go for the highest magnification. That's going to mean thicker glass, a darker image, and that might cost you a lot more money. On a higher magnification, if you're trying to look at something like these deer, it'll be easy because they're not moving, but the second you look at something like birds, which are moving really fast, it's going to be a lot more difficult.
Number 2, do not just go for the cheapest options. It's important to be cost efficient, and though it might be tempting to pick the cheapest ones out there, you might as well be using none at all.
Number 3, don't disregard size and weight. If you're going on an expedition or somewhere really far away, you're going to want a pair that doesn't weigh you down and make you tired. At the same time, if you're going with your hand luggage, you want a pair that fits.
That being said, number 4, don't always go for the most compact pair. The image is going to come out dark and fuzzy, and it's just going to get worse in foggy and low light conditions.
Number 5, autofocus or fixed focus binoculars are always going to be worse than central focus ones. They often have focusing problems, especially at short distances, and once those problems have happened, they're impossible to fix manually.
And what's more is that the zoom binoculars allow you to adjust the focus and the zoom. But unfortunately, the image quality is not quite as good as the flex magnification binoculars, and it can be difficult to adjust the zoom and the focus.
Avalon binoculars use a smooth central focus, which allows you to quickly focus on your subject either near or far to achieve a clear image.
So that's it, our 5 money-murdering mistakes to avoid when buying binoculars.
Thanks for watching.